Hey you guys, so I am back with another date night idea at home. This time me and babe decided to have movie night. So we was in Walmart, went and picked up on a few things, and we came across the new Stranger Things pizza. I was like, babe, we gotta try it. So we got the multi-meat and we got the Supreme. And I must say y'all, it was actually pretty good. It's not something I would buy a lot, but I would definitely buy it every now and then. Don't judge my ghetto charcuterie board, okay? This was some of our favorite snacks, and I was like, let's do it. So I added some more pillows to the bed to make it extra comfy. I lit some candles. I bought us some wine coolers. I set the hookah up. You know, some of our favorite things we like to do. I popped some popcorn, and we watched a movie on Tubi called Dimes with hoops in it. It was actually pretty good. Y'all better start sleeping on Tubi. Netflix, Tubi, and Prime winning over the movie theaters right now. But this is definitely a great way to have date night at home. It's easy, it's affordable, and you're in the comfort of your own home. So why not? I hope you enjoy. Bye.